All right, making some soup. Got the red onions, got the broccoli, got the zucchini. We're gonna put some cilantro in it. We crushed up some fresh garlic, and we got some potatoes. We got some bok choy. We got some carrots. Chopping up some celery. Probably some more stuff somewhere. Got the chicken slow boiling. I just flipped it over. I'm gonna be cooking that for a while. That's gonna be some of the stock. And we got a pot back there that we're cooking up the gizzards and the neck for the kids. They like that broth. And we got some venison stew meat that I went ahead and seared it in the skillet. Then I dropped some garlic in there and fried that up until it got like a little sticky layer. Got a scoop of that broth, put it in there, break up the bottom, cook it a little bit more, and probably gonna make 2 batches. Probably make a venison stew, and we'll make a chicken soup. So that's it. And Piper, it's Halloween, so Piper's barking at the trick-or-treaters. Yeah, lots of people out there. Anyway, so soup should be pretty good. That's what you do. Got the dogs, Piper and Bailey. Hi, Bailey and Piper. Got the sandwich going on. Garden tomato, lettuce, turkey, and pepper jack. Got the leftover heated up soup. Gonna watch some TV.